Today, we're making a crunchy deer tenderloin in the air fryer. Hit it with just a little bit of sriracha. Get it nice and coated. Then we grab our Dano's Crunchy, flip it over, and coat the backside. Now that I got it heavily coated, let's throw it in the air fryer. In about 10 minutes. Now it's time to give it a try. Now I know what you're thinking. I may have overcooked it just slightly a bit. Brings a little bit of the game out if you overcook it. Now it's not overcooked, but it's not rare like we were looking for. But that flavor right there is pretty hard to beat. Yum, yum, get you some.